Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel on your mobile device. First, open the Excel app and select a file. You can easily scroll through your data by swiping and pinch to zoom in or out for a closer look. Tapping a cell selects it, allowing you to see its contents clearly. This makes reviewing your spreadsheet simple and efficient, providing a great overview of your information. Editing data on your mobile device is straightforward. Double-tap a cell to activate the keyboard and begin typing. You can easily modify existing text or input new numbers. The app also lets you apply basic formatting, such as making text bold or italic, directly from the toolbar. This ensures your data looks professional and is easy to read, even when you are away from your desk. Using formulas on mobile is surprisingly simple. Tap the FX button to access a wide range of functions, like sum or average. As you type, Excel offers auto-completion suggestions, helping you build formulas quickly and accurately. You can select cell ranges by dragging your finger across them. This powerful feature allows you to perform calculations and analyze data efficiently, right from your phone. Saving and sharing your Excel files is seamless. Your work automatically saves to cloud services like OneDrive, ensuring your changes are always up to date. You can easily share files with colleagues directly from the app, inviting them to view or edit. Real-time collaboration means multiple people can work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously, boosting productivity wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.